I don't know how to say this. I just can't cope. 6 minutes till Love Island. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've got a really exciting video for you. I am doing a Glossybox review. Now this is the first time I have purchased from Glossybox. I am a genuine customer. This video is not sponsored or gifted at all. So I will be giving you my own honest opinions on what I think. If you don't know, the way in which Glossybox works is it's a subscription. Why can't I get my words out? So the way in which Glossybox works, it's a subscription service. You pay for it monthly and it gets delivered straight to your door. So within the box you'll get 5 new products, and that can either be makeup, skincare or hair care. So each month each box is worth £50 or more. Sometimes it could be 60, 70 or even more than that. If you are interested in a genuine honest review of Glossybox, then please keep watching. So just before we get into it, if you are new here and you like this kind of video, please do hit that like button and subscribe. Press the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So let's just get straight on into it. So before I show you the contents of the box, I'm just going to talk to you about the subscription options. There are quite a few on the website, so it's definitely worth checking out. So you can have a 12-month subscription, which is £11.75 a month, or you can pay on a month-by-month rolling subscription, and that is £13.25. And you can also pay up front. So they have a 3-month, a 6-month and a 12-month option. The 3-month option is £38.25. The 6-month option is £69, and the 12-month option is £132. So you pay for those up front if you do want to continue and you like their product and services. It is also worth noting as well that they have discount codes all the time. You'll probably find loads of people on Instagram that will have a discount code. I actually got mine for £11 something. I can't remember the exact price, but I got mine for £11 through a discount code. I'll leave the name, or I'll leave a link to the name of the girl that I got it from on Instagram. I think she has a regular discount code going, so you can check that out. And also it's worth checking the Glossybox website itself, because they regularly have discounts going. I know at the moment there is one online. You get your first box for £11 if you sign up for October's subscription and you use the code Glossybox. Oh my god. Is anyone else watching Love Island USA? I just can't cope. Anyway, I have a review to do. So where are we? Discount codes, I think I was saying. Yes, discount codes. So make sure you check Instagram, the website itself, and just check, because there are discount codes all the time, and I'm going to link below where I got my discount code from. So when you receive your Glossybox in the post, it's going to look like this. Now this is this month's box, and I just absolutely love the packaging. It's a lovely kind of dusty pink box, and it's quite small, and I can just tell that I'm going to use this for all kinds of different things, maybe like organising my drawers or putting some makeup brushes in them. It's quite small. It was smaller than I expected it to be quite honest. When it came in the post, my instant thought was, oh, that's smaller than it looks. So just be aware of that. But there are 5 products inside here. So when you first open it, no, my Love Island group is going off, guys. It's going off. Guys, please comment below if you watch Love Island, because I'm just... Casa Amor, recoupling, enough said. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I have already quickly opened this, guys, just to have a quick look, because obviously, like I said, it was my first box. I really wanted to get into it. They've got a cute little bow on it, which I have just retied. And then this cute pink kind of tissue paper packaging, and I really love the branding of the inside. Is just really, really nice, I think. So when you open the box, this is basically what it's going to look like. So we do actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've actually got 6 surprises in this box. You normally get 3 or 4 mini sizes of a product and 1 full size. That's what I believe to be the case. From what I've seen in other people's videos, there is normally like a card or something that will go in the box which tells you about pricing, what the product is meant to do and what it does and that kind of thing. There was nothing in my box. I've checked my emails because I've also heard that during this period of COVID they were doing those kind of leaflets online or via email instead of in the box. Check my emails, there's nothing. So I can't actually give you the price on the full size, what they would normally be full size, I'm afraid. So let's just go through each product. First of all, we've got this product here. I think this is the mini. So it's an Avant product and it's hyaluronic vitamin C. There's so many words here. So it's called Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidising Duo Moisturiser. So what it says on the Avant website says the Supreme Hyaluronic and the Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidising Duo Moisturiser is an anti-age Nutri-Revive antioxidizing moisturiser, which is formulated with the signature hyaluronic acid aimed at restoring your skin's natural glow during the day and during the night. Wow, that was a mouthful. So it helps to retain the moisture in your skin basically, so it's anti-aging. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand just to see what it's like. Oh, it's blue. So that's it there. Oh, hello. Oh, it's very, very silky. Really, really silky on the skin. Oh, it makes your skin look really nice. But that feels absolutely lovely. Oh, it smells good as well. That's always a winner. Okay, so next is, let's go with, I'm not even gonna lie, I can't pronounce this. It's the I don't know how to say this. Amerliorate. Is that how you say it? So it's got smooth skin science and intense skin therapy with the names on these products make me feel really stupid. So it's got with alpha hydroxy therapy. Okay, so for extremely dry areas, apply a thick layer and allow the treatment to work while you sleep. Oh, okay, so I think that's going to be like if you've got any really dry patches, maybe if your like elbows and things or your knees are a lot drier, I think that's probably what that is going to be. That'll be really good for this time of year because now we're going into the colder months. I've already noticed that around the edges of my nose, the sides of my nose is becoming a lot drier than it normally would. So that I think is going to be really good. But I'm going to swatch this one just to see what this one's like. Well, it's very thick. Oh, I've put loads on there actually. It's very thick, so I think you can see I've got quite a lot on there. I think a little will go a long way. Yeah, definitely. Look how much I've still got on my hands. And yeah. Well, that's quite scented as well. Oh, that's annoying. I've got all of this on my fingers now. I have to find somewhere, find a dry patch, put it on my elbows. So I think that's going to be really, really nice actually when the weather gets colder, the skin gets drier. Oh my god, that's made my elbows feel instantly soft. So the next thing we have is called Wishful. And I believe this is, I think, Huda Beauty's skincare brand. So this comes with like a little leaflet as well. This again is just to make your skin feel completely radiant. Like you can have a whole pamper session with this box. Next product is the Imperial Leather Foamburst. I have actually already used this. And it is very, very moisturising. Like everything we've got in this box is so moisturising, so lovely. It was really, I had a nice bath with it and it was really, really nice. So it's a 3-day long lasting moisturisation. So it's I've got the golden, amber and coconut oil. So I'm not sure if there are different ones that come in a box, but yeah, that one's really, really good. I really like that. So product number 5. I thought this was a face mask at first, but it's a coffee scrub. So this is, it's an exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin. I think it would just be a general great exfoliator just for your skin. It's got all this good stuff, almond oil, macadamia oil, all that kind of good stuff. So that will be really nice to use. And I really feel like Glossybox have put this box together with great thought in mind. I feel like this is the September box. I feel like it's okay, we are coming out of the summer where we've had a great summer in the UK. Now we're going to into colder weather. To be fair, we've got almost to the end of September and we've had pretty good weather until today. And I feel like this box is more like a self-care box. We've got absolutely everything that you could want to have a real pamper session with this box. And the final thing to top all the things off, and I don't think this would normally happen in glossy boxes from what I've seen. I think you would normally get your bog standard 5 products, but they have put a treat. They have put a treat in for us, and it's this Lindor chocolate. Don't come for me in the comments. I am not the biggest fan of Lindor chocolate. So yeah, I think that's just a really nice touch that they've put that in there as well. So that makes up the 6th and final item. So really sorry that I don't have the prices for anything. I'm going to go and have a look and find out what they are so that I can put them in the description box. So have a look if you want to see what any of the products are. Oh, I've just felt these products on my skin. Oh, my hands feels really nice in comparison. Yeah, it feels really nice. Love that. I really, really like this box. So my thoughts overall. When it first arrived and I first opened it, because like I say, this is my first time ordering from Glossybox, I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit disappointed. Just because I've seen loads of reviews of Glossybox on YouTube, and from what I've seen, people get some really good makeup products, and I never fully realised that actually you would get a box with just purely skincare. So I was kind of hoping for some makeup products, because I think last month they had some Huda Beauty lip glosses and just different kind of makeup brands in the box, so I was kind of hoping for that. But having said that, I am not mad at this box. I'm really trying to up my skincare and up my skincare regime, so the fact that all of these products are very much focused towards a pamper session, skincare for your face, exfoliating, moisturising, all of that good stuff, I am not mad at it at all. So I'm not going to cancel my subscription. I have actually ordered the Glossybox advent calendar, which I'm so excited for. So I'll open that with my Christmas content. But next month I'm excited. I am excited to see what I'm going to get in the next month's box. One thing I will say as well, I was also a bit disappointed with the delivery of this. Now, I ordered my Glossybox last month. I told my sister about it, so then she ordered one, and then she ordered one for her friend as well. The order in which everything came, my sister's friend, got her box first. A week later, my sister got her box. A week after that, I got my box. So I was kind of like, guys, I ordered this first. What is this kind of... It's almost like they're sending out from the last orders to the first orders, if that kind of makes sense. That's probably not how they're doing it at all, but that's how it felt. And I was a little bit bummed out that, you know, I had ordered this and I had kind of told other people about it, and I was waiting for my box for ages. But I did contact them on Twitter, and they did kind of say they had a bit of a backlog and that I was gonna get something soon. And yeah, sure enough, the next day or two, my Glossybox arrived. So I really wanted to get this video out there just in case anyone is maybe thinking about ideas for maybe Christmas already. I've bought my first Christmas present, I might just add, and this is very good for me. I'm normally a Christmas Eve present buying kind of girl, so we're in September and I've bought my first present. That is very good for me. Just in case anyone wants any ideas for gifts for people for Christmas, or they just want to test this out for themselves next month, then yeah, I just wanted to get this video out there so you guys can see. So overall, I am very happy with my box, and I'm gonna have a great time using these products, and hopefully my face will be silky smooth. So that is the end of this video. So if you did like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. It really does help me out. If you want to see any other content, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.